Soil is the lifeblood of agriculture, but it's under threat. Soil erosion, overuse, and poor management are depleting the Earth's most vital resource. Fortunately, there are effective soil conservation techniques that can protect and restore soil health. In this video, we'll dive into the top methods for conserving soil and keeping it healthy for future generations. Soil conservation is the practice of preventing soil erosion, degradation, and nutrient loss while promoting healthy soil for sustainable agriculture. It's about working with the land to keep it productive and resilient, especially in the face of climate challenges and growing food demands. There are several techniques that farmers and land managers can use to conserve soil. Let's explore them. Contour farming. One of the most effective soil conservation techniques is contour farming. This involves plowing along the contours of the land rather than up and down slopes. By doing this, water is slowed as it travels across the field, reducing the risk of erosion and allowing soil to retain moisture. This method helps to prevent water runoff, maintain soil structure, and preserve nutrients. Terracing. For steeper land, terracing is another great technique. Terracing involves creating steps or leveled sections on hilly terrain. This prevents the rapid flow of water, minimizes erosion, and makes farming more viable on areas that would otherwise be too steep. Terraces act as barriers, slowing down the movement of water and providing flat surfaces for crops. Cover cropping. Cover crops are another powerful tool in soil conservation. These are crops like clover, rye, or legumes that are planted to cover the soil after the main crop has been harvested. Cover crops protect the soil from wind and water erosion, enrich the soil with organic matter, and even fix nitrogen, enriching the soil for future crops. By growing cover crops, farmers can also improve soil fertility and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. Mulching. Mulching involves covering the soil surface with a layer of organic material such as straw, leaves, or grass clippings. This technique helps to reduce water evaporation, suppress weeds, and protect the soil from the impact of heavy rainfall. Mulch also provides a habitat for soil organisms like earthworms, which further improve soil health. No-till farming. One of the most important modern techniques for conserving soil is no-till farming. This method avoids disturbing the soil through tillage, allowing it to retain its structure, moisture, and organic matter. No-till farming minimizes soil erosion, helps carbon sequestration, and promotes soil microbial life. By keeping the soil intact, no-till farming promotes healthier, more sustainable soil. Benefits of soil conservation. Soil conservation not only protects the land, but also benefits the environment, farmers, and food production. Some key benefits include 1. Reduced erosion. Conserving soil prevents erosion, protecting valuable topsoil, and maintaining soil fertility. 2. Increased water retention. Techniques like mulching and contour farming improve water retention, reducing the need for irrigation and making farms more resilient to drought. 3. Improve soil health. Practices like cover cropping and no-till farming improve soil structure, promote biodiversity, and enhance nutrient cycling. 4. Enhance productivity. Healthy soil leads to better crop yields, ensuring sustainable food production for generations to come. Soil conservation is crucial for the future of farming and the environment. By adopting these techniques, farmers can ensure that their soil remains fertile, productive, and resilient to the challenges of modern agriculture. Together, we can protect our soils and secure a sustainable future. What soil conservation techniques do you use or plan to try? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Subscribe for more tips on soil health and conservation.